फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
India. Well, an amazing victory for India against England. They've decimated the defending champions by 68 runs and have marched into the finals. Amazing victory for India. Soumya, your opening thoughts about the game, about India's bowling, and obviously about the way Rohit Sharma and Sky batted.
No, proper dominance from the Indian team in all three departments. You know, the way Rohit played, the way Surya played, they never looked under pressure. When the 2 wickets had fallen, Virat Kohli got out early. Then Rishabh Pant also didn't score much. He didn't really contribute to the total. But Rohit's positivity has been one thing that I'm really fond of right now. The way he has been batting, the reverse sweep, the slog ones, taking on all the bowlers. The names don't really matter. The balls do. The kind, if anything is in his arc, it's going to get dispatched for a long one. And the way he got out to Adil again, I just felt bad the way he got out, but that was a kind of delivery where that showed कि उस ट्रैक के अंदर कितना ज्यादा परचेज, डिफरेंट तरीके का परचेज है स्पिनर के लिए, क्योंकि एक ऑड बॉल अंदर आया, थोड़ा सा एक अंदर राइट हैंडर के अंदर कटा, एंड दैट जस्ट went through the gates. But kudos to the way they batted, the way they staged the innings. उसके बाद the small contributions from Hardik, Jadeja, Aksar. I mean, if you look at that score line, 10 of 6, Aksar के आगे सिर्फ 10 बॉल 10 रन देखेंगे आपको 6 बॉल में, but that makes a lot of importance, because the way Dubey just got out, you were in a spot of bother, you lost a couple of wickets at a very brisk pace. You needed players to, you needed batters to stay there, and that's what Hardik did. That's what Jadu did, and that's what Aksar did. They made the contribution. They scored what? I was listening, 50 in the last 28 deliveries, if I'm not mistaken. India got more than 90 in the last 10, and because that is because the way Hardik got those couple of sixes, or Aksar got a 6 in the last one.
Right, so it didn't seem like India are going to cross 160, but those couple of sixes and couple of boundaries from Ravindra Jadeja helped. So Rohit Sharma in the press conference just before this match said that the game against Bangladesh was quite an ideal betting card for India, where everyone chipped in with 20-30 runs and only one batter scored 50. Something very similar happened today as well. Sky almost reached his half century, but largely a similar betting card for India. So do you think this is the template that India are going to follow going forward, even in the finals, despite of the fact that Virat Kohli is not amongst the runs continuously?
But they should, see, they should. I won't defend Virat here, because that was a really bad shot to get out, and you don't really expect something of that sort from someone like a Virat Kohli. But again, if he can just add up 20 more to that in next 6 deliveries, 7 deliveries, 30 of 15, 30 of probably 18, makes a lot of sense in this kind of a scorecard. That leaves a lot of, a lot of leeway to the batters to come up, because Surya can play very quickly, Rishabh can play very quickly. He doesn't need to, chip in there, just stay there. He can play his natural game. Then Hardik gets that kind of license to go after the bowlers. Jadu can do that, Aksar can do that, Shivam Dube, I hope he does that, because it's high time he does that. If he's not doing that in the final, boss, backpack karo, CSK bhejo, impact player ki tarah khilao. That is it. That should be the end of Shivam Dube's T20I career for some time. I'm not saying just keep him out, but for some time, because this template, he's not fitting in that kind of a template, to be very honest. You need someone like Rinku Singh. I have been saying this I'm saying this for probably the 1,000th time, that Rinku Singh suits much more in a much more better way in this kind of a lineup, in this kind of 11, because वो यार बैटिंग फर्स्ट कर रहा हो या सेकंड, वो आपको वो 30-35 रन इजीली दे सकता है. वी हैव सीन दैट, जो भी उसका ब्रीफ करियर रहा है इंडिया के लिए, वो कर सकता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, व्हाट वाज द थिंकिंग व्हेन दे गॉट शिवम दुबे इन, बिकॉज स्पिनर्स को मारना है, एक टेम्पलेट लेके चलना है. आई डोंट रियली फाइंड दैट लॉजिकल. इससे ज्यादा रन तो चहल मार लेगा यार, ये तो चहल भी कर सकता था. व्हाई डोंट यू हैव अ चहल इन द 11 देन? जो we have been joking about it, but it's high time Shivam Dube gets something into his bag, or boss, this is Indian team. People are not waiting in the wings. People are almost at the entry level,
Right.
trying to regain their position. One good series and you will be out of the out of sight. It's just that नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी को इंजरी हो गई, इसलिए आप जिम्बाब्वे ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, वरना आप वहां भी नहीं कर रहे थे. आई अंडरस्टैंड वो डिफरेंट एक अप्रोच है बीसीसीआई मैनेजमेंट का, बट आप किसी प्लेयर को इंजरी हुआ इसलिए आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, वरना आप उस 15 में थे भी नहीं. सो एंड सिलेक्टर्स कुछ तो देख ही रहे ना यार, मतलब दैट आई मीन no footwork, no difference in the way he gets out, no energy in the field. If he's given the ball, he goes away for runs. I mean, आप कुछ तो करके दोगे ना यार. अब
So since you are talking so much about Dube, Soumya, would you want him in the last game in the final against South Africa, or would you want to take a risk and bring in Sanju Samson?
Yeah, I would still bring in a Yashasvi Jaiswal, ask him to open with Rohit Sharma. You want a player to play freely, Jaiswal is your guy. Ask him to give him the license to play as free as he can. Virat comes at 3, probably Surya at 4, or probably Rishabh at 4, Surya at 5, Hardik at 6. Rest same remains the same. वो थोड़ा सा ऑर्डर ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा, बट दैट शुड बी योर आइडल. Sanju Samson is a big no here. I mean, it's high time. Let's just move on from Sanju Samson. वो 3 नंबर के नीचे नहीं खेल सकता यार. Let's face it. I mean, I don't want to be harsh on any of the cricketers, who is a part of a World Cup squad, but वो 3 नंबर के नीचे नहीं परफॉर्म कर पाता. He doesn't know how to pace his innings. Similarly, like someone like a Shivam Dube. मैं तो सूर्य से भी कह रहा हूँ, डिसअपॉइंटेड टू द वे ही गॉट आउट, बिकॉज उसके जाने के बाद बहुत ट्रिकी सिचुएशन हो गया था, और हार्दिक का अगर वो 2 छक्के नहीं आते ना तो बहुत ट्रिकी हो जाता, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट सा सिचुएशन हो जाता और इतना टोटल लगता नहीं. So I'm not really happy the way he got out, but he chipped in with a lot of runs. So yeah, we can give that leverage to him. But
I think he had already done his part.
Yeah, Sanju is a big no. Shivam, I won't have him. I would rather have a Yashasvi opening with Rohit. Have a Kohli, because Kohli का भी opening तो चल नहीं रहा ना, तो Kohli को drop down him to 3, maybe Pant at 4, Surya at 5, Hardik at 6, Jadeja at 7, Akshar at 8, or probably Jadeja, Akshar, and whatever you want to do. The rest remains the same. I would like to have that, rezigging in the squad.
Okay. As much as we want Dube out of the playing 11, let us hope that someone from the team management listens to us, probably watches this video and maybe take a decision. But moving forward from our batting, Soumya, our bowlers did a wonderful job today. We had a good total on the board, but I would once again say that this was a bowler's win. The way Akshar Patel bowled,
absolutely.
Yadav controlled the middle overs. Again, amazing performance. A word on Akshar and Kuldeep.
एब्सोल्यूट ब्लाइंडर यार, मतलब बहुत कम देखने को मिलती हैं ऐसी परफॉर्मेंसेस, कि सारे बॉलर चिप इन कर रहे हैं. Bumrah got that kind of a support from the spinners that he was looking, that we have been talking about, and it is not just about the support that you're containing the batsman from the other end. It was about picking wickets. Akshar aa raha, wicket le raha, Kuldeep aa raha, wicket le raha, Boom aaya, wicket liya, Jadu aaya, उसने परेशान किया. Arshdeep went for some runs. Hardik भी थोड़ा सा उन्होंने उतना बॉल डाला नहीं, बट मेरे को ठीक है यार, decent था. So if you talk about the 3 bowlers, they were, and bowling, Akshar, Kuldeep in tandem, वो overs quickly निकल रहे थे. Then you got Jadeja, वो और तेज over डालते हैं, so that created a lot more pressure as well on the opposition. So it's a team effort, I would say. You bowled you hunted in the packs, and that's how the game should work. And at least in this shortest format, यार, मतलब ऐसे ही काम करना चाहिए आपको. And I'm really happy with the way Indian team performed today. I thought 150 by 160 was a decent total. When they went to 170, you had the idea that they are going to win this. With that margin, it's great. It's all about the momentum. The 2 good teams will be facing each other who have the momentum on their side in the finals. Will be facing South Africa, who coming into this final on the back of a very, very stunning win. They hadn't been that convincing in this tournament, but they just thrashed Afghanistan in the semi-finals. Whatever you talk about the pitch, you talk about this and that, but they have thrashed Afghanistan. So yeah, you have to give it to them. Two teams with momentum. It's going to be a great final. I hope it's a great final. You know, the spectators there, the fans all around the world get to see a cracker of a game. But talking about this one, this contest, this encounter, kudos to Indian team, yaar. A proper teamwork. You talk about batting, you talk about bowling, you talk about fielding, two runouts. That jumping from Rishabh,
Rishabh
you know,
Pant was
talks
amazing. Yeah.
you know a lot about the kind of awareness he is right now having. You know, वो भी एक होता है यार कि आप कितने अवेयर हो, because the kind of unfortunate incident that he went through, उसके बाद वो बैटिंग
Right.
अच्छी कर रहा है. You know, he is getting
Keeping
back
अच्छी
into
कर
that
रहा है.
group. He was keeping nicely. Now he has that awareness as well. वो भी एक टेस्ट हो गया. You know, so the way he got Moin out. उसके
And
अलावा
उनका
you know
चर्पिंग भी चालू है, बंद नहीं हुआ तो
chirping भी
it,
चालू है, exactly. So you can really figure that out कि boss he's into that groove. And you know you have a lot many major fixtures coming up. You have a Australia tour and you need a proper 100% ऋषभ पंत for that tour. मतलब 100% से मेरा मतलब है कि बैटिंग भी कर रहा है, कीपिंग भी कर रहा है, अवेयरनेस भी हो, और ये भी चल रहा है. So
right.
that is 100% for me. For if we talk about Rishabh again, you know the kind of run out that was Liam Livingstone का, उसके बाद वो direct hit Surya Kumar Yadav का at the non-strike end. So a proper hunting ground this was for the Indian side. मतलब proper hunt किया यार, and great teamwork. Really happy. I just hope they move on with the same momentum, with the same mindset up in the finals. Take it, yeah, take it as a uh, another game. That's it, and just
Right.
win and just get that trophy in the cabinet. Yeah, it's high time. Just लेकर आओ भाई अब. हो गया.
Let's
Whatever
just
the
get
team is, you know, we have been talking about Shivam. I wasn't really happy with the way Shivam got into the side. I mean, when Shivam got into the side, uh, I am not really, you know, I really at times feel कि सूर्या का थोड़ा एक जो short selection है वो गलत हो जाता है. But at the end of the day, this is an Indian team which is playing a World Cup and will be playing a World Cup final. So as cricket fans, before reporters, before journalists, before analysts, as an Indian cricket fan, I would love to see all these 11 players into that groove in that positive mind setup. Dubey को भी बोलो यार कोई बात नहीं. You got out. Your place is, you know, if you want him in the 11, someone just go and talk to him. Tell him boss आपकी जगह बिल्कुल पक्की है. माइंड पे लोड नहीं लेना है. फाइनल के बाद की बात है. अभी के लिए just focus on the final. You are in the 11 and that is it. Positivity से जाओ और जीत के आओ. Simple, basic. कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं लगाना.
Right. So, Sonia, you talked about short selections, but
Yeah.
Surya has been able to score some runs with his shots, though we are not always happy with him. But
Yeah.
two shots baffled me very much today. One was Josh Butler and another was Harry Brook. Both tried to play reverse sweep. Both tried to get out. We see this image the way Harry Brook got bowled by Kuldeep Yadav. I was quite confused and it was quite baffling. Butler अक्षर के पहले ही बॉल पे रिवर्स स्वीप मारने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So, would you not want to try to just see how the bowler is bowling, how the pitch is behaving against spinners? दो तीन balls traditionally खेलो, फिर जाके reverse sweep कोशिश करो. Like
यार ट्रेडिशनली
shows.
खेलने का एक प्रॉब्लम है था इस ट्रैक पे. वो जो बाउंस है ना, थोड़ा सा वो ट्रेडिशनली थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लमैटिक हो गया था. बिकॉज इफ यू सी द टू लेग बिफोर विकेट्स, वो दोनों अंपायर्स कॉल थे. ये लास्ट वाला भी और एक और जो
Right.
कुलदीप ने एक और विकेट लिया था, किसका आई एम फॉरगेटिंग किसका विकेट था वो. तो वो दोनों अंपायर्स कॉल थे.
Right.
सैम करन का वाला भी, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, दैट वाज एन अंपायर्स कॉल आई गेस. और क्रिस जॉर्डन वाला तो था ही शायद.
I think Jofra Archer was bowled by Bumrah.
No,
so it
Jofra
has
तो
to be set
बुमराह
back.
वाला था. नहीं, sorry, yeah, Jordan only. When he went back on the थोड़ा सा बैक फुट पे गया, वो पीछ साइड वाले पैड पे लगा, एंड दैट वाज एन अंपायर्स कॉल. तो कहीं ना वो बाउंस और वो टर्न में थोड़ा सा शायद एक डिलेमा था बैटर्स के लिए खेलने के लिए, एंड दैट्स द रीजन प्रोबेबली दे वेंट फॉर दैट एग्रेसिव काइंड ऑफ अ स्ट्रोक. बट हॉरिबली आउट हुआ यार हैरी ब्रूक तो, मतलब हंसी सी आ गई उसको देख के. तो बटलर वाज अनफॉर्चुनेट यार. वो टॉप एज भी लिया तो वो ग्लव से उठा, वो बड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल सा होके वो एकदम से वो पेस से शायद बीट हो गया. तो वो थोड़ा मतलब डिसअपॉइंटिंग था जिस तरीके से वो आउट हुआ. बट हैरी ब्रूक वाज हिलेरियस, so to say. So yeah, I mean, I guess the approach was right. It is just that it wasn't their day, and it was India's day, and the way India have put in that hard work is just amazing, yaar.
Undoubtedly.
आई गॉट जस्ट ऐसे जाओ, बस इसी माइंड सेटअप से जाओ भाई। हो गया 19 नवंबर, हो गया वो सेमीफाइनल का भूत उतर गया, सो दैट मंकी इज ऑफ योर शोल्डर नाउ। सब हो गया। 10 साल के बाद T20 वर्ल्ड कप का फाइनल खेलने जा रहे हो। बी इन दैट जोन, स्टे पॉजिटिव। यही 11 है। आप हमारे पर्सनली हमारे क्या ओपिनियंस हैं, फैंस के क्या ओपिनियंस हैं, डोंट मैटर, दे वोंट मैटर, बिल्कुल मैटर नहीं करते। वो हम एनालिसिस बाद में करेंगे, वो एनालिसिस हमारा काम है। लेकिन जब आप फील्ड पे हो सैटरडे को अगेंस्ट साउथ अफ्रीका इन बारबाडोस राइट, तो वो ट्रॉफी घर लानी है और तुम 11 ने लानी है, और जो अंदर डगआउट में 4 बैठे उन्होंने लानी है, और जो बेचारे वो रिजर्व्स गए उन्होंने लेकर आनी है। बात खत्म, दैट इज इट।
जिस तरह इंडिया खेला है सोम्या, ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हराया, इंग्लैंड को हराया, और जिस तरह साउथ अफ्रीका खेलता आया, लाइक दे वर ऑब्वियसली डोमिनेटिंग अगेंस्ट अफगानिस्तान, बट उसके पहले इतना डोमिनेंस नहीं था उनका। बट एंड इंडिया आल्सो हैड टू फाइट हार्ड फॉर देयर विंस, बट दे हैव कम आउट ऑन टॉप ईच एंड एवरी टाइम। सो डू यू थिंक कि इंडिया विल बी फेवरेट्स गोइंग इनटू द फाइनल?
यार इंडिया फेवरेट्स है, बट मेरे को एक प्लेयर का थोड़ा खतरा है जो जितना प्रॉपरली अभी चला नहीं है साउथ अफ्रीका से, एंड दैट्स डेविड मिलर। डेविड मिलर नीड्स टू बी गेट नेगेटेड, क्योंकि उसको यार उसके साथ दिक्कत क्या है ना, वो 5 बॉल में 2 करेगा, 10 में 4 करेगा, 15 में वो 10 पे आएगा, और फिर 25 में वो 50 पहुंच जाएगा।
राइट।
सो दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम विद दैट ऑर्डर, मतलब वो बैटिंग ऑर्डर का। फिर एडन मार्करम है जो हु कैन प्ले दैट एंकर्स रोल प्रीटी वेल। आई जस्ट होप दे गेट हिम ऑन एट नंबर 3 यार, मतलब 3 नंबर उतारो उसे। क्या क्लासन के साथ उसे खेलते रहते हो, ऊपर नीचे क्या करना है। व्हेन देयर इज क्लासन एंड देन क्विंटन डिकॉक इज लुकिंग इन गुड टच। वो जो उसका टेम्पलेट है वो बहुत अच्छा है। रीजा एंड्रिक्स का मुझे उतना रिस्क नहीं है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। आई मीन आई एम नॉट रियली, ठीक है अच्छा प्लेयर है, बट फाइन वी हैव गॉट द बॉलर्स हु कैन टेक केयर ऑफ हिम। सो ये मिलर का जो एक फैक्टर है ना, ये मेरे को लगता है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड दे नीड टू हैव अ प्लान। आई गेस समझ लगे कुलदीप कैन टैकल हिम। वो शायद 2 छक्के जरूर खा जाएगा, लेकिन उसको खड़ा करवा देगा ऊपर। वो एक टांगने जाएगा ना, तो वो एक
कर रहे हैं तो किसी को भी टैकल
एग्जैक्ट वो या तो वो रॉन्ग गन एकदम जो अंदर आती है, क्योंकि मिलर का अगर आप देखो ना तो गैप ज्यादा है, मतलब बैट में थोड़ा वो जब वो जान मारने जाते हैं तो थोड़ा गैप आ जाता है, तो यू कैन गेट हिम आउट दैट वेज, और प्रोबब्ली आस्क इनवाइट हिम टू हिट ओवर द हेड।
राइट। So
let's थोड़ा देख के चलना पड़ेगा।
It goes India's way. The final will be played in 2 days, Saturday Indian Standard Time in Barbados, between India and South Africa. For now, thank you all for all your insights, Soumya. Thank you all the viewers for watching us. Stay tuned to Cricket Next.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।